What's up, everyone? We're back here at the dink pond. See if we can get something bigger today. It's been raining like the past day and a half, 2 days. As you can see, look at the difference in the water. Water clarity is completely chocolate milk. Not only that, it's came up a couple feet. So let's see what we can get out of here. Hopefully something a little bit bigger than we've been getting recently. Oh my gosh. Come on, I just want to catch one fish today. I've had a horrible day, man. Brother's in the hospital, got in a bad car wreck, head on. He does not have insurance. Oh my gosh, right as I was talking about how bad of a day I've had, that fish just came up and ate it right in front of me. No, come on. I was just saying how I've had a bad day. Brother's in the hospital. I just wanted to catch one fish. One fish, one fish, one fish. And he came up and ate it, I mean, right at the surface. Thank you, guy. You made my day a lot better. You have no clue. All right. Let's get a release on this guy. All right, bye. All right, I threw it a little bit further out. Got one. Nice. This is the best one I've caught out of here. 1 second, Mom. Got a nice little fatty on. Not a fatty, I mean, he's like a pound and a half. Ow! All right, let's let him go. Got him. I felt him hit and I knew I needed to set. Because these fish, they're so small, they'll give it one peck. That one peck. And if you don't get them, they gone. Another little bass right here. Little guy, you see how dark this water is over here. Lightens up as we get out here, so. Oh. I was about to say, let's let him go, but he let himself go. Got one. Little guy. Alrighty. Alright, another little guy right here. Nope, nothing down the mouth. Hey guys. Alright, let's get him gone. Wow, he's a lot colder. It cooled off and we had all this rain. He was chilled off a lot. All right, let's get back in. Let's get it. Oh, got him. Oh my gosh. Look at that right there, man. I thought I had me a big one. Man, I thought I had me a good one. Instead I got a freaking... Come on. Get my hook out of you. Give me my hook back, man. Freaking hate those things.